Again.
Ning, wag yung ano, cockroach, it's different. Cockroach, it's mean the animal.
Yeah, the Samsung.
Sarsor, cockroach, this one for the English. Yung pala ning mamamatay.
Ang alin?
Gun, mamamatay siya. Ang ganda pa naman niya yan.
Hindi siya hindi pa siya buhay. Saka matanda na yan, bakit minilipat? So there is a dog over here. What is the car that I passed by here? So this is the big trees, is the Saiton trees. Yeah, how it's nice, the garden of my sister. But I'm always here to come to visit, and I'm going. And thank you so much. Just only watch out my YouTube channel, Shirlita Agdiso, and my Facebook
Don't
page.
forget to subscribe for me kami.
Don't forget to subscribe to my sister YouTube channel, Shirlina Aldiso. And you can find out from their YouTube that how they are going to the mountain and Paraya and Masharbel. This is the scent of Saint Charbel. So please watch her YouTube channel. And my Facebook page, Buhay Isang OFW sa Lebanon. So abangan po natin kung ano yung mga content na gagawin ko soon. Yun.
Ning, kailangan marunong sana ka mag-edit.
Yeah. Matuto ako niyan soon.
Oh, pag-aralan mo ang edit-edit.
So yun, this is the big trees. And there is a Buddha over here. So, good luck. Good luck sa aking first video for my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Follow please.
Oh, na ano ko na, no, nagawa ko na lahat. Just only how many minutes? 3 minutes only. Maybe.
So now, I will show it to you what is the Lebanon, what is the country of the Lebanon. Soon, if you follow me, if I have 1,000 subscribers for my Facebook, YouTube channel, so please watch out my YouTube channel and my YouTube channel of my sister, Shirlina Aldiso. Yes.
Sabihan ko doon pag